Stepping Stones to Success. Welcome to Nurse Career Blueprint, your one-stop for all things nursing. I am Miriam, a nurse practitioner, and an educator. Understanding the nurse extern role. The journey to becoming a successful nurse involves dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace every learning opportunity. It is a path filled with challenges and rewards, requiring a strong commitment to both academic excellence and practical skill development. Nursing students spend countless hours studying nursing textbooks, attending lectures, and participating in simulations to prepare for the demands of the profession. For aspiring nurses, the transition from the classroom to the real-world clinical setting can be both exciting and daunting. This shift marks a significant milestone in their educational journey as they move from theoretical learning to hands-on patient care. The clinical environment presents a dynamic and often unpredictable landscape, where students must apply their knowledge in real-time situations. Nurse externships serve as invaluable stepping stones, bridging this gap and providing students with a taste of professional nursing practice. These programs are designed to immerse students in the healthcare setting, allowing them to gain practical experience under the supervision of experienced nurses. Through externships, students can build confidence, enhance their clinical skills, and develop a deeper understanding of patient care. Nurse externs are nursing students who are nearing the completion of their academic programs. They have acquired a solid foundation of theoretical knowledge and are now ready to apply what they have learned in a real-world context. This phase of their education is crucial, as it prepares them for the responsibilities and challenges they will face as professional nurses. They are eager to gain practical experience and apply their theoretical knowledge in a healthcare environment. This eagerness is driven by a desire to make a positive impact on patient care and to develop the competencies needed to excel in their future careers. Externships provide a unique opportunity for students to engage with patients, collaborate with healthcare teams, and refine their clinical judgment. Externships offer these budding nurses the chance to work alongside experienced nurses, observe procedures firsthand, and develop essential clinical skills. They can witness the complexities of patient care, from routine checkups to critical interventions, and learn how to navigate the healthcare system effectively. This exposure is invaluable in shaping their professional identity and enhancing their readiness for the nursing workforce. These temporary positions offer numerous benefits, including hands-on training, mentorship from seasoned nurses, and the opportunity to earn while learning. Mentorship is a key component of externships, as experienced nurses provide guidance, support, and feedback to help students grow and succeed. This relationship fosters a collaborative learning environment where students can ask questions, seek advice, and gain insights from their mentors' experiences. We will delve deeper into the world of nurse externships, exploring their significance, responsibilities, and the steps aspiring nurses can take to secure and excel in these rewarding roles. We will examine the various aspects of externships, from the application process to the day-to-day experiences of externs, and highlight the skills and attributes that contribute to a successful externship. Whether you are a nursing student considering an externship or simply curious about this career pathway, we will provide valuable insights into this exciting phase of nursing education and professional development. By understanding the role and benefits of nurse externships, you can make informed decisions about your educational and career journey and take proactive steps to achieve your goals in the nursing profession. Hands-on clinical experience, bridging the gap between classroom and clinic. One of the most significant advantages of nurse externships is the opportunity for hands-on clinical experience. This experience is invaluable as it allows students to apply what they have learned in the classroom to real-life situations. It's one thing to read about patient care and another to actually perform it. The externship provides a bridge between theoretical knowledge and practical skills, making the transition from student to professional smoother and more effective. Nursing education involves a delicate balance between theoretical knowledge and practical application. In the classroom, students learn about anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, and various nursing theories. They engage in discussions, participate in simulations, and take exams to test their understanding. However, the classroom can only take them so far. The real test of their knowledge and skills comes when they step into a clinical setting. While textbooks provide foundational concepts, nothing can truly replace the learning that occurs in a real-world healthcare setting. In a hospital or clinic, nurse externs encounter a variety of patients with different conditions, each requiring unique care plans. They learn to adapt to the fast-paced environment, make quick decisions, and work as part of a healthcare team. This exposure is crucial for developing the critical thinking and problem-solving skills that are essential for a successful nursing career. Nurse externs get to experience the dynamism of a hospital or clinic firsthand. They see how healthcare professionals collaborate to provide patient care, how emergencies are handled, and how different departments function together. This experience helps them understand the complexities of healthcare delivery and the importance of effective communication and teamwork. They witness the application of nursing principles in real time, observe patient interactions, and participate in various tasks under the guidance of their preceptors. Preceptors play a vital role in the externship experience, providing mentorship, feedback, and support. They help externs navigate the challenges of clinical practice, build their confidence, and refine their skills. This practical exposure helps solidify their understanding of nursing concepts and prepares them for the demands of their future careers. It also allows them to identify their strengths and areas for improvement, giving them a clearer sense of their professional goals and aspirations. By the end of their externship, they are better equipped to handle the responsibilities of a registered nurse. Imagine learning about wound care in a classroom setting versus actually assisting with dressing changes and observing the healing process. In the classroom, students might watch videos, read case studies, and practice on mannequins. But in the clinical setting, they get to see the real impact of their care on patients. They learn to assess wounds, choose appropriate dressings, and monitor the healing process. This hands-on experience is invaluable for developing their clinical judgment and technical skills. The former provides theoretical knowledge, while the latter brings those concepts to life, solidifying the students' understanding and building their confidence in performing the skill. Confidence is a key component of effective nursing practice. When students feel confident in their abilities, they are more likely to take initiative, advocate for their patients, and provide high-quality care. The hands-on nature of externships allows students to develop essential nursing skills, such as taking vital signs, administering medication, assisting with procedures, and providing patient care. These skills are the building blocks of nursing practice, and mastering them is crucial for ensuring patient safety and delivering effective care. Externs also learn to use medical equipment, document patient information, and follow protocols and guidelines. By actively engaging in these activities, nurse externs gain valuable experience and confidence that are essential for their transition into professional nursing practice. They leave their externships with a deeper understanding of what it means to be a nurse, ready to take on the challenges and rewards of their chosen profession. The externship experience is a crucial step in their journey, bridging the gap between classroom learning and clinical practice, and setting the stage for a successful nursing career. The power of mentorship learning from seasoned professionals. Another invaluable aspect of nurse externships is the mentorship provided by experienced nurses. These seasoned professionals bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table, offering insights that are not found in textbooks. Their real-world experience helps bridge the gap between academic learning and practical application. Each extern is usually paired with a licensed nurse who serves as a guide, teacher, and role model. This pairing is carefully considered to ensure that the extern receives the most relevant and beneficial experience. The nurse's role is multifaceted, encompassing teaching, mentoring, and providing emotional support. This one-on-one mentorship is crucial for the extern's professional growth. It allows for personalized learning experiences that are tailored to the extern's specific needs and career goals. The close relationship fosters a safe environment where externs can ask questions, make mistakes, and learn from them without fear of judgment. Licensed nurses offer personalized guidance, answer questions, provide feedback, and help externs navigate the complexities of the healthcare environment. They act as a sounding board for ideas and concerns, offering constructive criticism and praise to help externs build confidence and competence. They share their knowledge, expertise, and insights, shaping the extern's perspectives on patient care, teamwork, and professional conduct. This transfer of knowledge is not just about clinical skills, but also about the nuances of patient interaction and the importance of empathy and compassion in nursing. This mentorship extends beyond clinical skills. It encompasses the development of soft skills that are essential for a successful nursing career. These include effective communication, active listening, and the ability to work well within a team. Licensed nurses also impart valuable lessons on communication, critical thinking, problem-solving, and ethical decision-making. They teach externs how to approach complex situations with a calm and analytical mindset, ensuring that patient care is always the top priority. They introduce externs to the unwritten rules of nursing, fostering their professional development and helping them integrate into the nursing team. These unwritten rules include understanding the dynamics of the healthcare team, the importance of punctuality, and the need for continuous learning and self-improvement. The guidance and support provided by licensed nurses are instrumental in shaping the extern's understanding of nursing practice and professional identity. This mentorship helps externs develop a sense of belonging within the nursing community, encouraging them to take pride in their chosen profession. The relationships formed during externships often extend beyond the program, providing externs with a network of support as they embark on their nursing careers. These connections can lead to lifelong friendships and professional collaborations, enriching the externs' careers and personal lives. Please subscribe for all things nursing.